We're going to look at a very common standard demonstration of air pressure by taking a can, loosening the cap so air can flow in and out, heating it over a flame, which is not on now, and then cooling it off and seeing what happens. So I'm going to turn on my flame. It's quite high flame right now, but that's okay. I'm just heating up a metal can. I stay away from my wooden sign because I may like danger, but not that much. And I have a special cloth for dealing with this. It's just a wet cloth. Yeah, there's some moisture on the can, some water dripping, just because I had it in ice before. Okay. And I'm just warming up the can. It's going to boil the water off the bottom. This won't take very long. Metal heats up very quickly.
Wasn't pink there or anything, right?
It was a brand new can. There was nothing special in it. Yeah, if you ever did this yourself, make darn sure there was nothing flammable ever in that can. And honestly, you know, most people shouldn't do this heating up a can. It would work if I used boiling water in there. Could someone turn that gas off for me? It's a little hard for me to run around. Thank you. So this is quite hot inside.
To the right?
Yes. Okay, so my gas is off. A little smelly. Put the top on. And now I got a can full of hot air. Isn't that exciting? Do I get an ooh?
Yes.
Okay, I got a can full of hot air. I try to put that top on tightly. And I want to see what happens when I jam it in the ice. So far, not much. I can hear some noise. Make sure this is on tightly enough. Okay. Not as much as I might have hoped for. It did, I mean, there's a serious effect. It pushed the sides in. If you look at this from the end, it's really sucked in. It's still making noise. It can cool off a lot more. The walls still feel kind of warm, so I know it hasn't cooled off as much as it should have yet. Push it down to the ice, give it a little more time. If you do that, getting things really, really hot and then really, really cold, you can actually make that whole thing go whonk and destroy it. The nice thing about doing it this way is you can see the effect, but I can use that can again because it's not destroyed. We'll stop there.